Hello YouTube, it's your boy M Stone, and today I'm going to teach you and show you how to use RP and money hacks in GTA 5 and not get banned. So, start off, you're going to need these 3 links. So you'll need the Xenos injector. Pretty much any version above version 2.3 will do. Kidian's external menu. This comes in handy when we use the RP hack. In the RP hack, if enough people watch this video, I'll actually upload it on a mega upload, and then you can download it through that, or you can just use the basic RP hack, which is very slow, but mine amplifies it a lot. So with Kidian's external menu, you can pretty much, every time you do an activity, you can change the multiplier for how much RP you get. So every activity you get, is in robbing a store, after you rob the store you get RP, it would multiply it by, say, 100 times instead of just 1. You're the regular, whatever it is. I'm pretty sure it's just 1. So that really comes in handy, and what this RP hack I have over here that I'll upload does is it repeats getting the police, and it's for 1.44, so it's for the newest version. It repeats getting the police. You can turn it on and off. There's a toggle. And with the multiplier, you're able to go from level 100 to say 500 in 10 minutes. And with the money, you're able to get 500 million in 10 seconds. It's really ridiculous. It's really fast, and that's with the Chameleon mod. This is probably the coolest mod menu I'm gonna show you guys. I kind of like this menu because it's like the anti-dick mod menu. So if someone's fucking you around and like won't leave you alone, there's you can just tell them to fuck off, and by clicking a button and putting them in a cage, or when they're flying away or driving away, whatever vehicle they're in, you can drop them out of their vehicle, kill them instantly, that kind of shit. Now this can be used in a good way, or it can be used in a very bad way, so I'm going to suggest you to use it in a good way. Please don't use it for negative intentions. Alright, so after you've downloaded all these here, you're going to get a folder. Don't pay attention to FIFA or NBA, or Pet Dropper. That's a slower way of getting money. But pay attention to the RP hack right here, RP hack Steam, and Xenos, and this is Chameleon. This is what you're going to be injecting, and the modest menu. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to start up GTA 5. And this is through Steam. Should have probably said that in the beginning, but yeah, it's kind of nice. Also, with the Chameleon menu, you're able to give yourself different amounts of money, not just huge sums. You can give yourself, say, 5 million or 10 million, and just give yourself that and be like, okay, well, instead of buying $10 million with real money, to use that real money in another setting, which I just think is a way better idea. Like, technically, yes, you are cheating. You're technically cheating, but the game itself is once you get okay. If you spend enough money or you literally dedicate enough time from levels, I would say 1 to like 200 are like the biggest grind. Like the biggest grind. But anyways, enough of that ramble. I'm going to stop the recording, and when I come back, we are going to be in an online session because it takes a fucking long ass time every time for some reason. No matter what, I don't have any mods loaded, any hacks. It's just the way GTA is. So I will see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, we're back here. Sorry if my cam's obstructing the view. Doesn't really matter where you see me. Anyways, so we're in here and I'm just gonna show you quickly. I'm not fucking around. There you go. 500 million in the bank. 155,000 in cash, doesn't really matter. But I'm in a penthouse suite. I have 2 other homes. I have all the industry grow ops like meth labs, cocaine industries, counterfeit cash, all that. Decked out in tattoos. Every single piece of clothing. It makes the game fun. This is why I liked GTA Online in the beginning, is because you have access to everything, and I've played so much online. I just didn't want to do everything all over again. I'd rather just start fresh and start from a good standpoint. But yeah, it works, and I'm gonna show you. I'm not just gonna stop the video here. Alright? Okay. First things first, depending on what you want, I'm gonna show you cash first because it's easier. Let's get out your folder, your handy dandy Xenos. And then you want to, once you're installed, everything's done, don't need to look at the readme, don't launch Xenos, launch Xenos 64. That's a key factor. It'll ask you to run admin, do it, and then you'll get some funky window like this. Mine's already there, of course, but what you'll do is you want to click existing, go to the process, and then you want to find gta.exe, be a random number there, and you won't have anything here, so you want to go add, and then go back to your funky folder where you downloaded your Chameleon internal mod, and you'd want to open that. I'm not going to, it's already in there. Done that, then you want to go to advanced, and then you want to click these two, unlink module and erase PE headers. No idea what they mean. All I know is it makes it work. So after that, I just like to click this and click inject just to make sure it's like official. Go back to your game, wait a couple of seconds, and there you are. So the mod is there. So it's telling me to push the star key, and here we are. So first things first, you want to get rid of that really annoying instruction menu. Thank you. It's just your normal game after you leave. Second, you want to go to my option, and you want to go to fun. Oh, sorry, basic. What am I doing? I must be high. You want to go to money stealth, and there we are. So there's 15 million loop, and by loop it means it loops it. So you get 15 million looped. I would say, I don't know how many times, maybe 10 or 20 times. And loop on every other one is the exact same. You get it looped that many times. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you a 15 million loop. Just like that. I went from 500 million to 800 million. And the loop does stop. It doesn't go on forever, and if you try and do it again, it actually won't work. So don't freak out, it's not broken. But right now, you made so much fucking money, it shouldn't even matter. You can put this hack down for a long time and just enjoy the game. That's the whole point, that's why I'm showing you this. All this other shit's kind of irrelevant unless you just are a negative person and you just like fucking shit up. But if you go to victims, this is when people are pissing you off. You want to go choose the victim, say this guy's really pissing me off, you can actually view his game. Is it working? No? Okay, well, it used to. I don't know if it's because I'm inside my house or not, but try it. Let me know if it works in the comments. If not, I'll let the creator know, but just, you can view him, and if he's in his car, you want to go to troll, and you can kick him from his vehicle and put him in a cage. And I believe put him in a cage special is kind of like a fiery cage, so it's on fire with explosions. But yeah, that is the money aspect. So now that you're filthy freaking rich, you're probably like, well, I can't really do anything, I'm level 1. So after that, you want to you can close out of this, close out of that. So you want to bring back your menu here, and I believe, yeah, okay, so how it works here is there's RP hack, so you want to open up the RP hack. Perfect. J to enable, K to disable. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Okay, so it works. So if you just noticed there, I'll do it again. You press J and the flashing star pretty much shows you it's working. Oh, oops. Okay, so then you want to open your modest menu after you have that downloaded, and you want to use the keypad numbers 2, 6, 8, and 4 to navigate, and 0 to go back, and F5 to open. Okay, so you want to go to tunables because you're tuning how much RP you can get. So usually when you get 1 star, it's not very much RP. I'm gonna tune it to about 100 times as much as that. And is it because, hold on 1 sec, I'm pretty sure, okay, yeah, if this happens, if you're trying to get it and it's flashing and you have them both enabled and it's not working, you have to suicide. And to do that, you hold down the select button and you go kill yourself. Yeah, I just shot myself in the head. Don't ask me why you have to do it, but then try pressing J. And there you are. So I just went from level 407 to about 427 in about 10 seconds. So that's 20 levels in 10 seconds. It's 20 levels. That's a lot of fucking levels in a minute. So I'm gonna go to 500. I'm gonna time it and see how long it takes. I'm not gonna go to 500. It doesn't really matter, but as you can see, it works. So press K to disable, and that's that. So if you're in a crew, your crew rank's gonna shoot up as well. You're filthy fucking rich. You're level 400 and something now. You could go higher if you really wanted to. I've seen people with levels of 6,000 and 7,000 and shit. Don't ask me how long that takes. I have no idea. Maybe I'll make a video on it if you guys want me to. But yeah, that's my GTA Online RP and money hack. Thank you guys for coming and watching, and if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment box below. Have a great day and enjoy playing GTA Online.